Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is pharmacy refrigerators. Let me give the overall dimensions first. Unit's entire length is about like 19 inches wide. And depth of the unit is about like 20.5 inches. Overall height is about like 36 inches tall. So when we look around the units, we can see they do have a small digital displays at the center. You can set in all the temperatures, the functions, sounds, anything, and the lights from the control board. They do have a locker visit too. And we do having the glass door at the front. You can take a look for the inner side. And when we opened it, we found they have about like 4 layers. And actually the bottom layers, they do have a compressor system at the behind. So it's really thin. The measurements of it about like 8 inches deep. And for the top layers, they are about like 13.5 inches deep. And the width of the unit is about like 14.5 inches. Its clearance height, it is about like 28.5 inches tall. And obviously we can see they do have a circulating fans at the behind. And also have a LED lights on top of it. And when we close the door, looking the set of the units, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it, and model number with the serial numbers on it too, and the cost sheet information with the gram. And looking the behind of the units, we found the manufacturer offered 110 plugs. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.